excited, FCJ, to be embarking on this expansion program. This represents the largest industrial complex in Jamaica, and we are doing it in 3 phases. Phase 1, where we'll be adding 126,000 square feet of warehouse spaces to accommodate warehousing distribution for both large, medium and small enterprises. Phase 2 will see we go into a further expansion where we will be expanding to have greater frontage at the Marcus Garvey Drive. As you know, we are located near shore, near sea, and to the port. So this is a very important complex. We are presently 100% occupancy, and we are getting demand over and over. And on an average, I would say per year, we get at least 400,000 square feet demand at Garmex. So with 100% occupancy now, it just spells sense that we go into our expansion mode.
Early in the pandemic, I gave the clearance for the construction industry to proceed. And I'm happy to see that the Factories Corporation has heeded that advice and is moving ahead with this massive construction project. It is also their mandate to spur investment. And so they are now investing in expanding warehousing capacity. This is not just capacity to support large industries or the logistics sector. It is also capacity to support the small, medium-sized and micro business people who want space at reasonable cost to operate. And this is why I endorse this project. There was a period of time when this place was not fully occupied. Now, the Garmex free zone is fully occupied and people want more space. It is a sign that there is fundamental demand in the economy, that there is real demand in the economy. The economists call it effective demand. It is a good sign, and I encourage the construction industry to move ahead with speed and alacrity with the projects that they have on their books.